Hi, I'm Luke Drogan, Business Development Manager from Superwide Digital. We are celebrating 20 years of business this year. We're a large and super wide format digital print house servicing trade and creative professionals.
Luke, thank you very much for your time today, and thank you very much for your trust in Agfa, being the UK's first to install a Jeti Tauro H3300 LED with master roll-to-roll system. Perhaps tell me a little bit about why you've chosen this particular press.
As a company, we've got a huge experience in the digital print industry. We've worked with a number of machine manufacturers, countless machine manufacturers over the years. And one of the things that attracted us to this new machine was the incredible output and quality, but at such high speeds.
The Tauro has now been installed here for just under 6 months. Have you seen, what were the major benefits that you've seen so far since running the machine?
We've become heavily reliant on the machine. It's an incredibly flexible machine. We can run almost any type of material through the machine, which is superb. Whether it's roll-to-roll textile through to our standard PVC materials, through to obviously rigid boards. The resolution and the quality of the print is superb, and we haven't seen print like this in the industry before.
We spoke earlier about the benefits that a machine can bring, and one of the topics that you mentioned earlier, the way that you are pushing boundaries, that you try to give yourself the time, the capacity to think outside the box. How does the Tauro help you in doing that?
The Tauro is very adaptable. We can run so many different types of print processes, whether it's a single density print, whether it's a double strike print, whether it's a 3-layer print or even a 5-layer print. So that may involve a colour white, black, white colour process running through the machine in one pass, which is incredible.
From your point of view, what was your experience and their experience in dealing with Agfa?
Having worked with countless engineers over the years, and we have nothing but good words to say about working with Agfa. As we know, with any type of installation, there can be speed bumps along the way, but everything was managed so well, and we were up and running with the machine within about 10 days from installation to sellable output, and that's very impressive from our point of view, considering the machine hasn't stopped since then.